In this video, I'm about to show you an underground strategy gurus use to make money online with affiliate marketing. This literally takes them 5 to 10 minutes a day to do, and they make thousands of dollars every single day using this strategy. And the method they use is called launch jacking. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step, and you can take action right after watching this video and start making money online. And the platform I'm going to show you today is WarriorPlus. And I must mention, WarriorPlus is not my main source of income. As you can see, I don't make a lot on WarriorPlus. And this is just to let you know that you don't have to use big platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon Associates, and the likes before you make money on affiliate marketing. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to WarriorPlus.com to create a free account. And all you need to do is to click on the sign up for free button. And once you do that, you basically just need to enter your username, password, email address, and you will be able to create your account right away. And once your account is created, your dashboard should look like mine. Alright, so now you want to come over to the affiliate section since we are going to be promoting products on WarriorPlus. However, you can also upload products on WarriorPlus and make money as a vendor on WarriorPlus. However, for this video, we will only focus on making money as an affiliate on WarriorPlus. Right, so you want to go over to the affiliate section and then you want to click on offers. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to have access to various products available on WarriorPlus.com. And what most creators are going to tell you to do is to pick any of the products on this page. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So you can see this product right here, which is called SEO Body. If you scroll down here, you are going to see the commission you can potentially make promoting this product. As you can see, you can make between $8 to $415 promoting this product depending on the package the visitor purchased using your affiliate link. And to get your affiliate link, all you simply need to do is to click on request approval. So once you do this, all you just need to do is to click on request offer. Within 24 hours, the vendor of this product should provide you the affiliate link. But what I really like to do most of the time is to simply add in a note right here to let the vendor of this product know that you are serious about promoting their product. And if you don't know what to type in this box, all you simply need to do is to head over to ChatGPT and you want to type in a simple prompt like this: give me 10 best samples messages to use to request for an affiliate link. And you want to make sure to keep it short, about 300 characters. And as you can see right here, ChatGPT has actually provided us with examples that we can use to request for that affiliate link. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. All you just simply need to do is to copy this. So you want to type in something simple like this: I am interested in promoting your product. Could you please provide me with an affiliate link? All right. But however, to make this more captivating and unique, you want to type in the name of the product. Okay. And the name of this product is SEO Body. So you want to make sure to type in, I'm interested in promoting your SEO Body product. Just like this. Okay, so once you do this, all you simply need to do is to click on request offer. That is all you need to do, and this way you are going to increase your chances of getting approved. So like I said earlier, this is the traditional way most creators are going to tell you to promote product on WarriorPlus, but I can assure you this is not what the gurus do, and I'm going to show you exactly what they do to make money easily with affiliate marketing. So gurus go to this website called muncheye.com, and once they come over to this website, like I said, they use this strategy called launch jacking. So what this means is they are going to see the products that are going to be released on WarriorPlus ahead of time. So this way it makes them prepare ahead, and that way they are most likely going to start promoting the product before anyone else know that the product even exists. So now if you come over to this platform, you can see right here they have product for Jevizo as well, but the way you're going to know is for WarriorPlus is using the logo. As you can see right here, this says WarriorPlus. So you can see these products are going to be launched on this date, as you can see right here. So this gives gurus a huge advantage because this way they get to prepare ahead of time and they start promoting the product before it even gets released. So this way they are most likely going to be the one dominating this niche before any other person find this product. I hope this makes sense. So let's take this product here as an example, which says Covert AI. Okay, so if I click on this product, as you can see, this product sells for $17 and you are going to be getting 50% whenever people purchase this product. As you can see, this product is going to be launched on 13th of June. So all you need to do from here is to click on visit sales page of this product, as this is going to give you information on how to go about promoting this product. So it's going to bring you to this page. All you simply need to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you want to click on this section that says no thanks, I just want to proceed to Covert AI without getting free bonuses. So once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to the sales page of this product. So this way you are going to have an edge because you are going to start promoting this product ahead of time, and whenever this product goes live, you will be among the first people making money with this product. So now I'm going to prove to you that Googles are already promoting this product. So if you go over to Google and you type in the name of that product and you type in review, as you can see right here, 7 hours ago someone has already started promoting this product. And if you scroll down, you can see 2 days ago, before this product was launched, someone already made a video about this product on YouTube. As you can see, this YouTube video is already ranking on Google because Google owns YouTube, all right? And that also tells you that this video is going to rank on YouTube as well. And now if you notice, for this product, no affiliate has made a website promoting this product. And now this is where most gurus take advantage of this opportunity. So what gurus usually do is to create YouTube videos or affiliate websites, all right? And most of them usually do the two. Okay, what this means is you want to create a video about that product and you want to also create an affiliate marketing website for that product as well. This way, you're going to maximize your reach and make money once this product goes live, as you will be among the first people ranking for this product, and that way you will make more money than people who join the product at a later date. So what they usually do is to create affiliate marketing website using website builders like Google Site or Breezy.io or any other website builder. Okay, so we are going to be taking Google Site in this video, but you can use any other builder of your choice. So all you need to do is to click on the plus button. So in order to save time, I created the landing page and it's very easy to create. As you can see, it looked very simple, straight to the point. Okay, so all you simply need to do is to go over to the main website and gather information from there, and all you need to do is to paste it on the landing page. As you can see, I got images from the main website as well, and I uploaded them on this landing page. It's that simple. So once you're done creating the landing page, all you need to do from here is to then click on publish. And here you want to give your landing page a name, and I highly recommend to use a name that resonates with this product. As you can see right here, since I am the first person creating this landing page regarding this product, you can see the name of this product is free for me to use. All right, so you want to do this for as many products as possible, and all you simply need to do from here is to click on publish, and your website will go live. And once people start searching for reviews on this product, your website is going to be among the top of the search result. All you need to do is to upload a YouTube video and create a landing page like this for that product. Once the product goes live, all you simply need to then do is to then come back to request for affiliate link to promote that product.